Today we're going to do something a little bit crazy. You know how everyone always wants to avoid cracking? Well, we're going to crack on purpose, aka flipping or yodeling. Many artists actually crack or flip or yodel on purpose all the time, and it sounds absolutely amazing, and that is why you too should learn how to flip. Just so we're all on the same page, this is what a crack or flip or yodel sounds like. Okay, you can do just one. And that's just one flip. If you do a bunch of them in a row, it's a yodel. Now, just isolated doesn't sound really great for most people, at least. That's more like, Swiss Alp kind of yodeling. My roots are calling me. But for contemporary music, you would mostly just do one flip and not a bunch of flips in a row. To help us unlock and control the flip, because you can't just flip anywhere, I did not choose some Swiss Alp yodeling song, okay? I wanted to keep it contemporary, so I chose Juice by the one and only Lizzo, because she's actually doing it in her song quite often. If you're ready to unlock the Swiss yodeler inside of you, let's look at how the exercise goes. You already have 3 flips right here. That's the first one. There's 2 right there. The second one is twice as fast as the first one, okay? And we're not switching to a second vowel anymore. It's not A, we're just going just on E. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Now the same thing on U. No. 2 flips right there, okay? Blame it on my juice. We're having one more flip right here at the very end. Now, if that flip starts to happen earlier, as we go higher and higher in the exercise, please let that happen, okay? The U shape makes you want to flip into head voice earlier than on other vowels. So if you happen to flip earlier, let that happen, okay? Don't feel like you have to hold on to chest voice. All right, are you ready? Let's get yodeling. All right, take a good breath here. And it ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. Alright, just let it go here. Good. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Good, don't hold on here. Good, let it slip. Right, you can't control it too much because then the flip doesn't happen. And it ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. If you listen to me, I'm already flipping earlier here too, so don't hold on to it, okay? It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. Yeah, just let it go, right? You can't hold on to it. Good. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. Breathe. Breathe. Good. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Blame it on my juice. All right, good job. Let me know in the comments below if you could already do that flip and if you flip to the right note, right? You can't just flip wherever you want to, right? You can't just go, no, you're going way off, right? You gotta control that top note that you're flipping to, and you gotta flip back to the right note too, right? The lower note as well. Now, it is very possible that towards the end, it was too high to still do in your chest voice. A flip can only happen when you start in chest voice and then flip into head voice, or the other way around, okay? It can work with mixed voice too, but you gotta change register, okay? You can't flip from head voice to head voice. That doesn't work. You've got to switch registers abruptly, okay? That's how your flip happens. So if those last couple rounds maybe were too high for you to still stay in chest voice on those lower notes, then just don't go as high just yet. Stick with the first 1 or 2 minutes of the song, of this exercise, all right? If you'd like to improve your singing voice in other areas, and not just flipping or yodeling, but riffing, vibrato, chest voice, head voice, mixing, and all that good stuff, I have some really great news for you. I'm currently offering a $1 trial to all of my online courses. Yes, every single one of them you get access to for just $1, all right? So if you want to learn more about the singing voice and you want to improve really quickly, you can do so now for just $1. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you'd like to join a community of singers just like you, I would love to invite you to join our free Facebook group. I post tips and tricks there, more exercises like this one, and more traditional exercises as well. And you get to post videos and I will give you feedback on your singing. You can ask me any questions that you might have about singing or about music in general, okay? I would love to help you out, and come on over and join us in that Facebook group. I'll put the link also in the description box below. Watch these videos next to keep improving your singing voice with some vocal exercises, or watch some Vocal Coach Reacts videos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had just as much fun as I did, and I will see you next time.